I went to McDonald's today to celebrate the Pokemon 25th anniversary, and if you're almost my age, then you probably have a lot of fond memories of Pokemon back in 1999. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 Happy Meals, and they each come with a special edition 25th anniversary Pokemon card deck. Now there's 50 cards in total, and you're gonna get all 25 of the original starter Pokemon, and I'm really excited to see what I got. I'm really hoping I got the original Kanto region Pokemon. Pikachu is one of them, but obviously he's not one of the original starters. But yeah, I'm really shooting for Squirtle, Charmander, and Bulbasaur. Let's open these up and see what we got. Before we get started, make sure you like this video, smash that thumbs up, it helps the algorithm. Make sure you subscribe because this is a fairly new channel, I'm still trying to grow that audience. And make sure you comment below. I'm checking every comment and reading them all. So if you have something cool to say, or not, leave a comment. All right, here we go. Here's the 4 packs that I picked up today. What's inside? Let's find out. Put that to the side. This is what they look like. Pokemon.com. Made for McDonald's 2021. Gotta catch them all. What do you guys think? Should I leave one not open? See if it's worth anything in many years from now? Maybe for the 50th anniversary? I might do that. We might save one, but let's open this up here. Feels different. The packaging is way different than the traditional Pokemon cards. This feels more papery, not as the other one feels more like a foil. Okay, wow. We got a shiny Bulbasaur, Grookey, Cyndaquil. I love Cyndaquil. And a Rowlet. Okay, let's make sure we sleeve this one up. What do you guys think? Look at this detail here. Okay, next one, same one, Pokemon, and this feels very not as premium as the. Okay, what do I got? Oh my gosh, we got a Pikachu right out of the gate, holographic Pikachu. This is awesome. Okay, and a non-holo. We got a Squirtle. Okay, almost there. We got Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Pikachu, holo Pikachu. Get this sleeved up. One more. Will we get Charmander? I'm shooting for Charmander and I got the whole collection. Let's see. So we got a Snivy, non-holo Snivy, a Sobble, and a Turtwig. Okay, some of these I don't recognize, but not the one I was looking for. Let's get this one and get that one sleeved up. Okay. Oh boy, should we try to see if we get the Charmander? Or do we save this pack for many generations to come? Decisions. I have an almost complete set. Get some of this out of the way. Or open this up. You think I'll regret it? You think I'll regret not opening this up? What if the Charmander's inside? Ooh, I think I'm gonna hold it. I'll save this one forever. Alright, and that was it. I ended up getting 3 holos. I got a Snivy, a Bulbasaur, and a Pikachu. I also have a Squirtle non-holo, and I have one more pack that I didn't open up, and I'm really hoping there's a Charmander in there so I can complete this collection. But I think I'm gonna hold on to it for a really long time. Maybe I'll go back to McDonald's later and see if they still have some. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like this video and smash that thumbs up button and click on that subscribe button, because I got a lot of videos coming up. I got a lot of Pokemon, and I'm gonna be unboxing these a little later.